Hey everyone, welcome back into Fairbanks City News for Wednesday night. Mike Schultz with you once again, talking about weather and batten down the hatches. We have got a strong front moving our direction right now with very heavy rainfall and probably some embedded thunderstorm activity into it. So we got to keep an eye on that. And speaking of thunderstorms, this is a cool photograph that Trinity Twinny sent me. The thunderstorm dying, but do you see this white coming down? That's what they call a hail shaft, which means obviously it's hail falling. It mixed in with the rain, and a very nice shot there. And that was a pretty good photograph. And if you have a photograph to send, by all means, send it to photos@ktbf11.com. Your numbers look like this: 63 today, the high. The overnight low 45, record high 89, 1957, record low 29, 1918. Sunrise and sunset 21 hours, 21 minutes, a gain of 4 minutes from yesterday. And speaking of those rain and thunderstorm cells that are moving our direction, it really shows up good on the satellite and radar. As you can see here, really a big batch of it moving our direction, and I don't see how we can miss on this. This is some pretty heavy rain that's moving our direction. It's yellow and orange on the radar, so very intense. And as far as the overall picture, as you can see here, the frontal boundary showing up really well defined here. That's bringing some cooler air in that might possibly bring snow to the higher elevations. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. What else is going on across the rest of the state? Oh, for the most part, it's still raining over southeast Alaska, and temperature is only 50 degrees at Juneau, 53 at Ketchikan. Just partly cloudy skies at Anchorage, 57, and the showers have stopped around the Kodiak region. They're high today, 59. Cold Bay at 52. Up and down the west coast, temperatures close to 50 degrees for Nome and Bethel, and 30 degrees below freezing, 30 degrees below freezing temperature at Barrow, with Fort Yukon at 64 degrees. Lower 48 weather, and taking a look at the temperatures there. Once again, a very nice day over the Seattle area, 77 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Warming up again over Las Vegas and Phoenix. Another hot day in Dallas, 97 degrees there. Denver cooling off a little bit from yesterday. A lot of widespread rain shower and thunderstorm activity across the Central Plains. Not warm as it was yesterday in Minneapolis, but warming up across the eastern half of the country. Chicago 92, St. Louis 95, 84 degrees in Washington, D.C., but it's going to get a lot warmer than that. On the satellite radar, you can see a lot of activity moving across the Central Plains. Some of this could become severe later on this evening, and there is still some moisture moving across parts of California right on down into Southern California, helping those folks out. Speaking of temperatures, look at these temperatures expected tomorrow: 95 to 105 degrees near Washington, D.C., and also around Cincinnati, stretching back to the southwest. Otherwise, 90 to 95 degrees, a big number for a lot of areas tomorrow. And the overall the overall jet stream is once again showing you why. Look at that big bubble there. When you get a big bubble like that, that means there's a lot of high pressure and no movement in the air, and it just allows all that moisture and humidity to gather and become once again strong thunderstorm activity. Very warm continued over the west coast. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what the northern sections look like. Partly cloudy skies at Barrow, mostly cloudy skies in Nome, and rain showers expected for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at skies becoming less opportunistic, I should say, for rain. Looking at rain showers diminishing for Fairbanks, rain and snow showers at Healy. That's right, rain and snow showers. Isolated rain in Delta, and over the southeastern sections, scattered showers likely for Juneau and Ketchikan. Out to the southwest, we'll be looking at partly cloudy skies at Cold Bay, cloudy skies in Bethel, and rain showers for Kodiak. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, scattered showers for Anchorage, rain for Valdez, and showers that will become scattered in the Homer area. Now, this is a very dynamic cold front moving in, bringing a lot of cold air with it, so much that there is a winter weather advisory. I don't know what that's doing there. We'll get past the kids' weather because we're not going to be doing that for a while. But anyway, where's it at? Well, I guess it's not there. I'll tell you right now, we have a winter weather advisory for the higher elevations above 2,500 feet. 4 inches of snow or more, and especially around the Adigan Pass area. If you're heading up that direction, keep that in mind. The rain and snow showers will be tapering off tomorrow, but our forecast for tonight in the area, cloudy with periods of rain and thunderstorms, 46 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, rain showers tapering off by afternoon, and the extended forecast, look at those temperatures starting to rise by Sunday and Monday into Tuesday, near 80 degrees all 3 days, and that means that the cold air will be moving out of the picture, being replaced by a lot of warm air. But for right now, we want to keep in mind that this is a very dangerous situation out there. A lot of heavy rain moving in, and like I said, Wouldn't be surprised to hear some rumbles of thunder too, so keep that in mind if you're doing anything outdoors.